welcome back to my channel. Another one of the videos from the archives. So this was recorded back in February 2020 and was taking part in the Lottie Loves Paper Cyber Crop. I first of all think I'm going to use this Pink Fresh kit. It was a Hip Kit Club subscription and I was originally going to use that. It's a sketch challenge, so it's quadrants, it's 4 squares. So decided I didn't like that paper, didn't think it went with the photos, so I pulled out a older hip kit that I'd already cut into. It's got bits of Vicki Boutin and Paige Evans and crepe paper, all sorts in this one, a bit of Maggie. I do settle on this piece eventually, so this is Hooray from Crepe Paper, but you know, just double checking, but yeah, I do end up settling with this one. The pictures are from Caris's 21st, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th oldest niece. So yeah, from her 21st in December 2019, we went out for a family meal to the Chapelford Inn, which is like way over the other side of town from where we live, but it's a nice pub. And a friend from work came, one of my friends from work who Caris worked with for a while came as well, so that was really lovely. We had a really nice meal. It was mainly desserts by the time me and Jodie got there. Yeah, so just here cutting up 4 mats, so 2 behind the photos and 2 for the other quadrants, so just cutting them up. So these are going to be the 4 pieces to make the quadrants. Oops, sorry, just nearly knocked my drink over. Just choosing some other pieces for the 2 that haven't got photos on, so just getting some scraps out. I do use scraps a lot. You know, pieces this size don't need to go in the bin because you can find something else to do with them, including that strip that I cut off then. That's still usable. So this page is really quick. It took me about 18 minutes in total. It might not even been that much, might have only been about a quarter of an hour. I haven't cut anything out this process at all. It's all here, and I've only sped it up by 2 because the video was only like 5 minutes long if I did it on the usual speed. That's how quick this come together. Yeah, so it's a sketch challenge, which was a sketch I really liked and really easy to follow. I've then used a lot of stickers on it. I was determined to get finished through some stash on this cyber crop. So I do stick these down and then I start using that sticker sheet you can just see off to the left, and just layering stickers up to embellish. So just gonna finish fiddling about with where those squares are going. So yeah, I go through this sticker sheet. I use quite a bit off this. Gonna pop that up on some foam. That's just, you know, cheap kids funky foam from Hobbycraft, which has got the adhesive on both sides. So I do end up just sticking the adhesive down and sticking the sticker on top, and then just using a few other pieces. I do stick my photos down in a minute. I do stick those mats down in a minute when I know I'm happy with where they are. There we go. These are not going to move. I'm also using Herma dotty glue there, so it's a little bit more forgiving if you do change your mind and you can lift stuff up. It's permanent after a couple of hours, but you get a little bit of time to move things around at first. So yeah, just choosing different stickers which I layer up behind the photos and layer up on each of these squares. I was thinking about using that frame around that square piece, but I do end up doing something else with that, which you've seen me before. I actually, in a minute, I'm going to rip that frame in half and just use it as another layer between the mat, as you can see there on the top right and bottom left. So just use them as a little coloured tucky piece. Wouldn't even know they were frames. I like that circular piece, but can't find anywhere to go, and there's, you know, there's florals and squares on this, not really circles, so I didn't think it fitted very well. I'm just having a look through, see if there's any more pieces to put on. I think I'd use some of the gold hearts. And we're not far off done here. As I said, it's a really quick layout. Just using that fun sticker there, and I think I've got a happy sticker up by Caris, by me and Caris and her little younger brother Lewis, and yeah, just a few little stickers laid about. Like I said, it come together really quick. I'm just going to I do finish it off with some enamel dots after I've popped the gold hearts on. Yeah, I mean, Caris is off on her adventures in Australia now. She's having a year out in Australia. Her mum came back last weekend, and I'm determined not to message her yet to see if she's alright, because I know she'll be alright, but I thought I'd, you know, give her a month to settle in before I start harassing her, being a harassing auntie. So yeah, this really is almost done. As I said, it come together really quickly. I still don't think I've any journaling on this. It's been in an album now for, well, nearly 3 years, and I still don't think I've journaled. I never put a proper big title on it because I was happy with how it was. I didn't think it needed it. As you can see, I'm trying, but I decided not to go for it. So just making sure there's nothing else in the embellishments. Date stamps going on for the date of the outing. I am just fiddling with the date stamp, making sure I get the numbers in the right order, because that's always fun. Maybe we should have cut that bit out. Yeah, this really is virtually done. There's obviously a big bit there I should have cut out. Sorry about that. You're just watching a blank page whilst I'm playing with a date stamp. I like doing that while you're doing the first, second, third generation with the stamp, because it also, if you stamp it wonky, it makes it look like it was stamped wonky on purpose, and I'm all for purposefully doing things wonky, so you think that's how it was always meant to be. Found some more stickers there to put on. These are from Vicki Boutin. I can't remember what collection it would have been back then, but this really is almost done now, and I've got some stills at the end for you. But yeah, that's about it from me and my waffling. Have a good day. Forgot to say, I did try filming the texture page thing with the mink properly, and for some reason my video on my phone messed up, so I'll try it again another time. Have a good day though. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe if you did. Take care. Bye bye.